Hey everybody, it's Roland Real from Complete Trader Academy again with another daily review. Today is the end of the week, December 23, 2022. Let's jump right into it here. So we had a very boring day. I wasn't even trading today. I knew I wasn't going to trade. Figured I'd do back-end work and all that type of thing. But small range day, but not too bad. But the news had it kind of a little sporadic, but at least we were on the right side for a trade in general. Logically wise, looking at it, you'll see that the price opened up, came down, and this was from the news, and then rallied up a little bit slowly the rest of the day and then settled. So let's go into a smaller time frame here. All right, so here's the day. Price opened up on the bullish side, and then news came up right here. This was at 825. Price came down, and is that right? Yeah. And this next candle was 830, so price came down and then popped back up, balanced that big imbalanced candle, came down, took out the liquidity here. Soon as this hit this low, then we had a little bit of an idea of going up. So you could have caught this trade, but super risky, was moving super fast. Then we decided to just wait and watch. Price ended up coming up, taking out this high. All right. And then once it took this high, this was a beautiful sell. But at the same time, it was a little risky and happening too fast. So you're staying out of this trade here. Price came down and took out this low. When it took out this low, now this was an internal structure low, got into some of this imbalancing and price there, and then it started to create an order flow, and it came back into this demand area. Perfect buy here, and as you see, this would have been like a higher low. We were trying to aim for the lows here and here, but it because of this displacement of price, this turned out to be a break and a nice little higher low here. So when you were analyzing and you saw the price came in and it hesitated and reversed, we have intentions now to come back up and take out that high. The same high that they engineered right there was the high to get taken out. So beautiful trade. So took that up to here, and then also was gonna see if it ends up holding for this high. Now I'm not saying it will, because it is looking like there is a little bit of life in the bullish direction, and I don't mean long term or anything, I just mean to above this high. So to get back into this balance, because generally they do like to balance the price if they're going to do it. So they knew everybody sold from here because this is a classic support resistance. So when it reacted from this block here, which is this wick, that was a good indication that this was a higher low, and it didn't have to hold. We're gonna take this out for sure. Just it's becoming the end of the year. It looks like they're gonna inch their way down too, and they're gonna balance this price. This is looking like a consolidation, or you can call it a speaker, where let's see here real quick. If you do, let's just say you did it. I'm not trying to draw trend lines because I draw trend lines or anything, but you can see that price might do one of these. This is where you might catch price. So price, I can see wick up here and then come down here. And I know that sounds a little wild, but it kind of looks like it. Kind of looks like you're going to get something like this. So I'm expecting price to come and reach this high and then sink down, and then definitely hit this, which will be into this block, and then this imbalance, and so on. All right. Hope this helps. You guys have a great holiday, whoever is believing in the holiday and all that. All right. Take care. God bless.